Hi, this is Ketogenic Jim. What we're doing today is a ketogenic pizza. It's known widely as fathead pizza crust. There's a few different ways to do it. I'm going to show you my way. We got all of our ingredients here and I'll walk you through it. Okay, what we're going to start off with first is we're going to get 170 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then we're going to put in 85 grams of almond flour. Okay, then the next step, we're going to put in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. We need another spoon. 1 and 2. We've moved it into a microwavable bowl. We're just going to add a little bit of salt, and we're going to mix this through and microwave it until the cheese gets melted. We have the cream cheese and the mozzarella, so that's going to be our flour. You microwave it for roughly 1.5 to 2 minutes until the cheese starts to get melted. And when you take it out of the microwave, you want to mix it through, get all of the almond flour into the cheese, and then microwave it for another 35 to 40 seconds. Meanwhile, I'm making the sauce. I've cut up half an onion and put some oregano in there. I'm going to put some garlic powder, some black pepper, some crushed chilies, some basil, and then some tomato paste and water, and that's your low-carb marinara sauce. It's really easy to make. You want to add your seasonings and blend it in the blender to get a nice sauce. Just remember to limit your garlic and onion as they have carbs. Okay, our cheese is completely melted. Now we're going to make the crust. Okay, so our cheese is melted through, so we're going to add our egg and then going to mix everything together with my hands. If I can't do it with this. And then also going to put in some Italian seasoning once it's mixed through. And you have your pizza dough. We also need to preheat our oven for 350 degrees or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now we've incorporated all of our seasoning into the dough, and I've split it into 2. Now we're just going to use our greaseproof paper, our parchment paper, and a rolling pin, and just roll it out. And that's our pizza dough. Now we're going to bake it for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our sauce and our toppings and bake it again. Bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and that's going to cook everything through, all the almond flour and the cheese and everything, make it kind of crispy. Then you're going to add your toppings on and bake it again to completely cook everything through. And while the pizza is baking, we're going to make our sauce. And our sauce really quickly cooked into the blender. So now we're just gonna prepare our toppings. You can use whatever you want. We're gonna have some Italian pepperoni, some bell pepper, and some red chili. And that's gonna give a really spicy taste. It's a hot pepperoni. Okay, our pizza's out and I just flipped it around. Now we're going to put our sauce in and then our toppings. Okay, our pizza is topped. Like I said, you top it however you want, and we're gonna cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes. All right, we checking the pizza? Pizza is done. So now it's just time to plate it. Okay, and that is your keto pizza. I'm gonna be making another one here soon, and let me know what your favorite pizza toppings are. Just comment below, it'd be great to hear from you. If you would like advice on the ketogenic diet to lose weight, to build muscle, to get into the best possible outlook, the best possible mindset, please get in touch with me, ketogenicgym@gmail.com. I'm going to be setting up a keto coaching course here in the next couple weeks, and I'd love for you to join. Thanks for watching, I really appreciate it. You have a great day.